Hey everyone, you probably saw the live video I had yesterday, and I went to Home Depot and I couldn't help myself but to buy this beautiful Florida Ghost. I was really impressed by this leaf. It's variegated and it's mature. I wanted to just clean it with you today. So for cleaning the leaves, I'm using the leaf shine from Miracle Grow, and you just shake it, use a paper towel, and that's easy. You just spray it on your paper towel and then wipe the leaves, and it's gonna make them clean and shiny and beautiful. And I just wanted to tell you a small story. When about 2 or 3 years ago, I think, we went to Florida, and I really wanted to buy this plant and create a short on the way back to show that uh, like I came from Florida with the Florida Ghost. But it was after a hurricane, and because it was after a hurricane, all the nurseries were closed and we couldn't get into any until they were approved by the local government to be safe, to be clean, and all that. So I came back without my Florida Ghost, and I got a small specimen. But I'll tell you one thing, it takes it a long time. At least in my case, it took a long time for it to actually grow. It does have beautiful leaves. It's just that it takes a longer time to grow. And now, as I'm cleaning my Florida Ghost, I can see on the leaves spots where it has these yellows or whites on the green leaves that I haven't noticed yesterday. And it makes it even more beautiful and more exciting for me. The plant is in a very good condition. It has a self-watering pot. It's very pretty and very in very good condition, I'd say that, yes. And most of all, um, I got to actually go choose my plant from Home Depot instead of ordering it online and hope that it will be sent to me, whatever it will be sent to me. I got to look at all the plants they have and choose the one that I thought it was best for me. And it was only $20, like $19, and it was on sale. So I got it for, I think, like 17 or $16 because it was on sale. And I just want to show you one more time the beauty of this plant. And here we have the leaf that I love. This is a new leaf. I love big leaves, and it's all clean and beautiful. And yes, kudos to Home Depot for bringing our beloved plants to us for the fraction of the price. And I don't know, maybe you want to comment below what plant you got from Home Depot and you really loved it. Also, give a follow out to Simply Plants, Simply Plants by Lisa, I think. Lisa, if you're watching, comment below your handle. She was so nice to listen to my live video and comment. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video.